This is Godwin. My name is Godwin. Today I am bringing you videos live from the national capital of Ghana, Accra, and I am on the Airport 37 road. That is where today I'm vlogging from. As you can see, it's a Sunday, so you wouldn't find lots of people in town. You wouldn't find lots of traffic in town. Airport 37 highway here in the capital of Ghana, Accra. You can see, maybe it's on a Sunday, but you can see lots of cars in town. So that tells you how vibrant the city of Accra is. I mean, see how vibrant the city is. It's a Sunday, and I tell you, there are lots of people. Initially, I thought there weren't people in town, but as I moved forward, I got to realize there are still people in town. But it's not like a regular weekday, like a working day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, where you're gonna have, lots of people going to work just like any other city in the world. But this is Sunday in Accra, Ghana. In your shot is Accra, Ghana, and like I said, I am on the 37 airport stretch, a very vibrant part of Accra, Ghana. And you can see it's a Sunday morning. It's around 8:39. Wow, and it's just breathtaking. Even though it's a Sunday, the city is not too packed. You can still see people going. Ghana, on Sundays, people go to a lot of functions like churches, and then funerals, weddings, and engagements, and all that. So you should expect to see people even in or on the thoroughfares as well. But initially, when I was filming, I thought there were a few people in town, but as I moved forward to town, I see a lot of people in town now. In your shot is the airport city. So at the other side is the airport. When you go to this way, you're going to the airport. Then this is the airport city area. Very nice development in the city of Accra. So now, if you don't know, you know. So we're still around the airport city. That's what you are seeing. So as you can see in your shot, we're still around airport city area. The background is the Silver Star Towers, which happens to be one of the early developments in the airport city area here in Accra. So this is Accra, Ghana for you. Sights and sounds of Accra, Ghana on a Sunday. I think the streets has also come back to become calm as in where I am now. Initially, what I actually saw had come back. I wasn't seeing lots of people around or lots of vehicles, but I saw vehicles somewhere along the way getting somewhere to the airport, runabout or the airport traffic light. It used to be airport, now airport traffic light here. So now I'm also getting to another area where now I can't see more vehicular traffic anyway, but you just love it. Ghana. Oh, so you still having a look at the airport city here in the capital city of Ghana, Accra, here in Africa, and for that matter in West Africa. Keep on watching my videos, as I've promised. I have lots of videos coming up from Ghana, West Africa, and the world. Quitting sales and coming into vlogging, sales and marketing and coming into vlogging tells you that I really mean to bring to my viewers something extraordinary. So viewers, as you can see, the road that is at the other side can lead you to the Kotoka International Airport. You know, the national airport in Ghana is called the Kotoka International Airport. So that is the Kotoka International Airport road. That is when you are coming from the 37 side on this stretch of this street. So it takes you directly to this place. As you can see, I'm giving you a 360 view of the area, right? Now we're crossing to the other side. I'm moving on towards 37, and I'm going to show you an iconic building on this street, and I'll tell you why that building is iconic. I'm going to tell you why that building is iconic. Lots of billboards. It tells you how the importance of marketing and advertising in Ghana, Africa, and of course in the city of Accra. So this building you see here in short is called the Opebia House. Some years back, it happens to be one of the tallest buildings on the street. But things have changed as there are more modern buildings, more taller buildings coming up in the neighborhood. So as you can see, but I'm still on the 37 airport stretch here in the capital city of Ghana, Accra. And I hope you're loving my video, you're loving what you're seeing. So this is Accra, Ghana for you. In fact, this is the Opebia House. It actually happened to be that it became a popular bus stop because of the building. So the bus stop near that building is the Opebia bus stop. It's a very popular bus stop along the 37 airport route. Well, viewers, I'm still touring the airport 37 route here in the capital city of Ghana, Accra. And as you can see, the stunning view of it. So I am right here on the 37 airport route. Thank you very much for watching my video. If it is the first time you are watching me, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. If you've come back again to watch, or you are a returning viewer, I'd like to say thank you for coming back. So that is African people in your shot. Currently, I am walking towards a very popular flyover in the city of Accra. An area used to be called Sankara Circle. That's now Akweje Interpass or Overpass, sorry. Akweje Overpass. So join me to take you around the city of Accra and give you a view of the capital of the city of Ghana. It's a Sunday and you don't expect to see more traffic, more people. It's all good, it's not too bad. Still on the streets of Accra, Ghana. And we are heading towards the central business district of Accra. I want to capture this lady. She's a hard-working lady. Good morning, madam. How are you doing? Hard-working lady, trying to keep the streets clean. Hard-working lady cleaning the streets of Accra on a Sunday to get the streets so clean. That's all the hard-working people you can find in Africa, Ghana to be precise, and all over Africa, as I say. In your background is a Standard Chartered Bank Heights and the latest developments on the landscape of the city. Well, viewers, we are right at the flyover that I was talking about. Like I said, it used to be Sankara Circle, and then it was turned into a flyover here in the city. And you can see the Standard Chartered Bank building at the background as well. So now, in your shot is the Nat Heights. That's the Ghana National Association of Teachers Heights. It's a building that belongs to all the teachers in Ghana. So that's the Nat Heights, Ghana National Association of Teachers Heights. It's an office block, very popular in the city of Accra and on this stretch of Accra, cities in Africa, of course. Still on the Independence Avenue heading towards Accra, the Ridge side of Accra. This area is called the Ridge. Has a lot of offices. So as you can see, there are banks, there are major telco companies. I mean, all on the street. If you come here on a working day, that's where you see how busy the places. It's a Sunday, and you wouldn't see the regular life on the streets in this neighborhood as compared to weekdays, which is just typical everywhere here in Ghana. Viewers, in your shot is the MTN building, which is a major telecom company here in Ghana. So as you can see, this is the Ridge area. It links up to the Central Business District of Accra. And I tell you, we have some few minutes to get to the Central Business District of Accra. So this is Accra, Ghana for you. It's a Sunday that I am taking you right into the Central Business District of Accra, Ghana. So in your shot is the Forestry Commission. The Accra Conservation Education Center. It's over there. See, this is the Ridge area full of offices. So we're still looking at the Ridge area, the Ridge Enclave. So we're still walking inside the Ridge area, heading towards the Central Business District of Accra. So this is Accra, Ghana for you. This is your first time of seeing videos of Accra, then this is Accra, Ghana, the capital of Ghana. Far behind in your shot is the National Theatre of Ghana. See if I can zoom on the National Theatre. Just trying to zoom back. Okay, so that's the white building over there. Over there. It's another office block. And the Africa Trade House. In the background you can see. So there's the National Theatre of Ghana in your shots. Movenpick Ambassador Hotel, the Movenpick Hotel in your shot. Viewers, we are right inside the center of Accra. We are in the very central business district of Accra. It trails down behind this building down. It's a Sunday, so I wouldn't be going there. You can have a view of the central business district, the very huge area, and that is the nerve of trading, of course, in Accra, Ghana. So that is Accra City Hotel, one of the oldest